Hello guys, this week and today I'm going to show you something different, something great. So how it just look like, and I'm going to do the same thing using this image to do exactly the same thing. So we're going to copy what it is in this image to this one. So I just want to start it from the beginning to the end. You just done with the retouching and everything. Okay, so I'm going to add all those stuffs. I mean the lips and the eyebrows and the stuffs and the eye to the colors and everything. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing to add to this image. Okay, so guys, let's start. Okay, first only thing you need to do is that you need to just duplicate this image, just make it 4. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to use right now. So I'm going to choose this color. Okay, the eye color, I'm going to choose the same thing. Okay, so let me just click on it and zoom it and just use the eyedropper to check and get this done, and get back to this brush. Okay, this brush too, and make sure you just make this, I mean, let's say 31 is not bad, so let's make it 31 and create our new layer. Okay, and make the smoothing up to 100 so that it will just make it so nice. Okay, let me just go back, undo, and I'm going to click on that brush. Okay, and you're going to start from, you need to take your time and just work on it. Don't worry, I will show you everything. Okay, have you seen it? Then you click on this dodge tool. Okay, so click on it and make here the hardness supposed to be, make it 0, and in here I think it's normal. Then let's just do the magic and the exposure to 100. Okay, so make it something rough like this. Okay, then try to just make some deep. Okay, cool. Then when you're done with it, let's just check the before and after. Okay, so I just want to add a little white here. Okay, okay, so let's check before and after. Then you turn this to screen, the normal to screen, so check before and after. Cool. And let's just clean the side inside like this. Use the eraser tool to just make it down like this. Okay, so let's just check it before and after. Cool. And let's just copy this one to replace this one. Okay, and let's just make this one little down. So let's just take the opacity 40 and step on it. That's great. And let's try it around here too. Have you seen it? It's great. So let me just group this one and name it eyes. So before and after, it's great. And so let's just take this one back like this. So we're just going to do this makeups and it starts to make it look the same. So let's just get back to our home thing and create a new layer. So when you create a new layer, just turn this, the new layer normal to color. So when you're done with it, just get, let's say we can just choose it, we can just choose a color here. Okay, so let me just start from here, this one. Okay, and just click on the brush and turn the brush hardness to 0. And let's just work on it and turn this normal to color like this. Okay, so that you can see what I'm just doing. It's great. It's beautiful. So just check here and make sure we're going to do the same thing here, and creating layer again and turn the layer to color and choose the green color here and do the same thing down here. It's just a eraser tool to just reduce around this side, this side and this side here, and choose this color too and create new layer, and then just go to the brush and turn this one to color again. Boom. And let's choose the eraser tool to just turn this 100 to just reduce it. Okay, so let's just take this one down like this. So we're going to reduce this one too. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. So beautiful. And let's move to the lips. Okay, so that one you're going to choose this brush, this one, then you'll cut it from here to here. Just step on this image, so I'm going to cut it from this image and hit Ctrl J to separate and cut under the mouth. Okay, and let's move to image adjustments here on the saturation, and let's move this one to this side to get pink color. You know, the difference is that this white lady and this black, so I think something's going to change. So step on it and choose eraser tool, and let's just clean around here. Okay, and just reduce it just a little, and let's check before before and after. Sorry, before and after. Before and after. It's great. And let's just use the dot tool to just give a little light. Okay, yeah, beautiful. And let's just move to the image. Okay, and image, you're going to use that dot tool to just step here and here where it's just shining and stuff. Okay, so to make the dodge and bend, and here too. Okay, and here too. So let's check the before and after. Okay, and then create another layer again to just get this image. So just use the eyedropper to just get this the same thing, exactly the same color, and step and change this normal to color again, more to brush to and step on it. Okay, so normal, and reduce it little, and let's just reduce this one too. Okay, to get a natural color. So we're going to add all this and check it before and after, before and after, before and after. So I hope you all just get me to learn from this, and this is so great and simple to do the retouch and get everything done. So guys, get to my page, subscribe to it, and like it and comment, and I'm gonna drop videos for you to just learn, retouch and a lot of things of in my channel. See you for the next video. Bye.